Good morning. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Here we go, fellas. Welcome to another stream. We're ready for another banger? Are we ready for another banger, chat? I think we are. Boom. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Vietnam. Yesterday was an eventful day, right? Who here would witness the win, and the win? Who here witnessed all three? So we had a good day today. Yesterday. We had a good day yesterday. We had the right bias, but not the right distribution, right? We didn't have the low resistance liquidity that we wanted, but we did capitalize off of the market maker buy model stages, right? So there's that. We have a huge gap, a consolidation, a manipulation, and then a consolidation again. So we're going to get rid of the executions for now. You look here, and you're going to see price action trading into an hourly fair value gap and trading lower. You go into the charts. 1 second. I just need to delete. You go to the charts. You draw up midnight open. Okay? Bro. You go to the charts. You grab midnight open. Midnight open is right here. And you can see we don't have that much movement to the upside above midnight open. So I'm going to get rid of that hourly fair value gap. We're going to go to the 4 hour here. You see we're in a 4 hour order block. We're rebalancing. We have a gap up above us. We manipulate at prior to 9:30. To me, it looks like we're going to do this. To me personally, it looks like consolidation, manipulation, smart money reversal, back up to the consolidation. Or it could be the start of a market maker sell and buy model. So it could be accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion, smart money reversal, accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion, and then take midnight open and these highs. So that is another outcome that what we can do. That could explain us why we could move lower and take out these equal lows that are formed right here. Right? Those equal lows can be taken out for sell-side liquidity. And then we turn up higher. So today's actually a really good day. And I'm going to tell you why it's a really good day. We have contingencies. We have a reason on why it can go lower and higher. We have a reason on if it goes lower than expected, I know what's going to happen. And then I'm going to take the long. If it just goes higher from here, we're going to take the long. We're in what I would think either a power of 3 or a market maker, the start of a market maker buy model. So it's accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion, smart money reversal, right? Accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion. And that smart money reversal takes those equal lows there. So that is what I'm going into this session leaning towards. We're already down 1.1% or 0.6%. So we're ripping down lower at 9:30, which is exactly what I want to see. 9:30 manipulation. Yes, my Apex code gets rid of the consistency rule and gets you any size account for $19. For a brand new 300K, how much should I risk each trade? For the combine, you risk at $1,250. Once you pass risk $750. At the prime point of the year, I risk $2,000 on those accounts. But that's at the prime point. When I have a balance, I can do it, and so on and so forth. But guys, well, good morning, and we have a great session. How much are the Apex accounts with your code? They're $19, not depending on what size you get. Any size account is only $19 with code Ben. It's for Apex Trader funding. Tradeify, I think, is 40% off right now. $760 away from passing the account. How much should I risk today? You should risk probably, well, what size account are you trading? You should be risking the same size that you usually do, but what size account are you trading? How much to risk on 50K? $250 per trade. I'm going to full port my 300K since it was $19. A 50K, you should be risking $200. $200 to $250 per trade. Max loss limit, 500. Get off the charts if you lose 500. When I was looking at gold longs last night, I ended up taking it because it was nice, and I missed the move. It's all good, brother. You're very emotional. Why? You're a trader. You're going to make that back. You think you lose one win and you'll never win again? The only reason why you won't win again is if you let those emotions blow your account. That's not how you calculate stop loss, my man. I can't just tell you how many minis it is. It depends on your stop loss. So we're manipulated below sell side, below this low. So the power of 3 looks like it wants to play out more than the actual market maker buy model. So it could leave these equal lows. I am going to mark them out just for reference, just to remind me that there is liquidity below. So it doesn't need to reverse right now. Now, we also have, are those equal highs? Yeah, we also have equal highs. We also have equal highs. So this is actually a really clean profile, chat. We have equal highs, sell side liquidity. That's way below the midnight open. If it takes that, we're cooking for longs. We're cooking for longs. Chat, I already scratched the Mercedes. Don't get mad at me, bro. I was trying to park at my garage, and I accidentally, I closed my garage, and there's only this much space in between my car and the garage door, and I tried to pop the hood to look at the engine, and I popped the trunk, and it banged into the back of my garage door. No, guys, it's okay. I have free coverage for 2 years for chips, paints, and scratches, and rims and tires. Rich people problems? Are you stupid? Anyone can scratch their car. If it's a Toyota or a Mercedes or a Lambo. Look. Not only rich people scratch their cars? Okay. Thank you, brother. I know. Where did the landlord come from this conversation? What landlord? What are you talking about? Good morning, everybody. Looks like a nice run here. Nice turtle soup on those lows. Beautiful wick there. Beautiful. So we have any SMT here. Yeah, we do have SMT on ES. We do have SMT on ES as well. The gap is unfilled. It's going to go higher. Yeah, I'm pretty bullish, chat. I'm pretty bullish. What does my accountant have to do with my car? He doesn't care. He just manages my taxes. Oh, yeah, that was a while ago, brother. Benjamin, should I get a BBL for my first payout? Yeah. On my eval, I haven't passed yet. Is there consistency rule? If you use code Ben, then there isn't for the Apex. Waiting for a fair value gap, and then we got the trade, chat. Very early trade that we may be catching here. Am I Jewish? No. I love that song, though. I speak Hebrew, though. I can speak Hebrew. Okay, my chat's freaky today. We have a little fair value gap here that we could engage in. Right? We also have probably a fair value gap forming. But price action looks beautiful. It looks like she wants to rip through the sky. And it's 27. We're up about $1,600 yesterday. So no matter what, we're finishing this week in profit, because previously we were up about $800. So we're up about $2,500 on the day. Hold on. It's going to leave it as a breakaway gap. It used the inversion, didn't it? You dick. No. No. Go. No. Yes, of course it is, Rasmus. That's what I learned from. Come on. Get down there. Go down there, buddy. Go down there. Go down there. I know you want to. Okay, I can take the trade at any point now. I'll take the trade if it goes up here. Because of the inversion fair value. Yep. I'm going to get along.
Order filled.
Spread, bro. Nah, you're capping. That's an extra $100 on the risk now. Look at that spread right there. Bro. You got me fucked up, bro. That's some dookie spread, man. Look, my stop loss increased to 32. That means I should lower a contract. Let's see if I can sell it in profit. Why is it negative? It was in profit. Why is it negative?
Order filled.
Why is it so loud? Yeah, I got stupid amounts of spread on that. But I have to factor in this fair value gap here as well. Right? But it should leave it as a breakaway gap. It should leave it as a breakaway gap. If you look at the 3-minute, trade into that 3-minute inversion fair value gap. All right. Should expand here. First trade of the day. Let's see how we cook.
Stop filled.
What the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck is that, bro? It just went straight, bro. What? Bro, what the fuck is that? I mean, we followed risk management somehow. Look at this. We're only $27 over. Look at that. Somehow we actually followed risk management with that. All right, well, let's lock in and let's wait for another opportunity. Oh my gosh, bro. What? What? Market makers watching? All right, looks like it wants to go down to these equal lows, and then we'll probably look for another long here. It's probably going to retest this or use it as a rejection block, so let's wait. Let's wait and see. Guys, first of all, for the people that are saying, ugh, blah, 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 I blew my account that said that. Guys, losses are losses. They have to happen. You cannot be profitable if you do not manage your losses. I was up $2,500 on the week, and now per account, now I'm up $2,000 on the week. But I'm still up. And when I win again, I'm going to be up even more than 2,500 because I did not over leverage. That was funny, bro. That was funny. That was actually funny. Hold on, chat. That was funny, bro. That was insane. I literally just said, let's see how this trade cooks. Well, we're going to wait. Be patient for another opportunity. Shit happens. Lock in, twin. Let's go. Let's run it. Surge. Yeah, that's funny, bro. That's pretty crazy. Oh, YouTube changed their dashboard. Looks different. It looks different. 1 second, chat. We have a good day today, though. We know exactly what's going to happen. Other than that, we have a base understanding, right? If we could just chop from this point, then no. But if we go down to the sell side, we're going to cook up a really juicy long. How long is the Apex deal for? Until December 16th. Why are you trading on the 1 minute and not the 5 minute? Why are you a man? Search and destroy. Bro, this ain't fucking Call of Duty, bro. It's seek and destroy. This motherfucker says search and destroy. Eric, thank you for the subscription. This guy. guy says, this guy's a search and destroy. That's funny. Dude, the chart has just been so ugly. Look at that big drop. See what the markets are doing. Apple's up. Nvidia's up. Tesla's up. Bitcoin's back to 92K. Okay. Nothing too crazy. Am I Orthodox Christian or Protestant? I'm a believer of Jesus Christ. Those are all pagan things. Modern day religion is not true. Is not what God asked of us. Waiting for price action to break up. What do you use to copy trade? Trade Bro, I can't even lock in with you guys. You guys are so funny. It looks bearish right now, but it's probably going to these equal lows here, and then it's going to turn up. I'm not going to try to catch the short. What? That's turtle soup? Ben, why do you cuss and swear if you call yourself a follower of Christ? Just wondering. Let me pull up a Romans verse. Or Matthew, sorry. One second. There you go, brother. But right now we're ripping towards those equal lows. So it looks like it wasn't that power of 3 setup, and it was actually the start of the market maker buy model. So we're going to be patient and wait for price action to go down to these equal lows here, chat. That's what's moving right now. That is what's moving right now. But we will catch a beautiful setup just like we did yesterday. Just like we did yesterday, chat. How we waited this whole move and then caught the long. We're doing the same. So stay patient. Stay patient, chat. It'll pay. It'll pay off. Patience. What do you say about that? In the Bible says that Jesus was born in summer. I don't know. Why does it matter if he was born in the summer? We feel like because everyone says he's born on Christmas. I don't care. Like, I do care, but it doesn't spark my priority of interests on what day he was born. If it goes below midnight open, does it mean it'll keep going down? No. That's not exactly. Not exactly. So we're waiting for price action to turn up. This looks like a clean market maker buy model. Accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion. Smart money. Well, what the heck was that? Accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion, smart money reversal, reaccumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion. Okay, that is what's happening right now, and we're going to wait for that to happen. All right? That is exactly what's happening, and that's what I'm anticipating. I'm going to catch this part. I'm not going to catch this part. So don't have any FOMO, chat. Okay? You predict what's happening before it even happens. Check African seed oil market. Okay. Patience, guys. Wait for stuff to start playing out. It's hitting the fan right now. Nvidia's back down to the negative. It's in a big consolidation right now, but it's typical December price action. That is down 0.7. Perfectly fine. But price action is slowing down. It's the 950 macro now, so we could find something potentially. We don't have any more news today, so that could slow us down just a little bit. Bro. Patience, guys. It is ripping up higher, but ideally I think it's going to go down there. But if we get proven otherwise, we'd have to probably body around this area. What's my YouTube? Bro. I'm just saving my next vacation on December because this price action is dookie. I mean, we're actually doing really well this December. But, yeah, December is typically dookie. If I was risking regular risk, I'd be up a lot of money this December. I'm risking $500 in December. I'm also not holding my trades for that long either. But we're cooking. We're cooking. It's cooking. Good looking. We're cooking. It does look like it's souping it again. So now that could be the manipulation we could turn up again. So it could be the power of 3, and this was the last leg of manipulation. Right? But it also could be seek and destroy if it goes here and reverses again. But we'll see. Let's see. We need to confirm that it's not seek and destroy and that it's going above these highs. Then once that happens, we will take along. Because I am bullish. I am bullish, chat. Patience. Patience is key, guys. In everything. The day after Christmas, my models go private. Yeah, of course I don't care about losses. They're part of the process, bro. Why would I care about something that is supposed to happen? Why would I get upset about something that is supposed to happen? It's supposed to happen in a trader's journey. So why would I get upset over it? My models are in my description. It's in the link tree. Yes, forever, Ryan. Most likely. How do you get them after Christmas? You won't. Bro. If we get your models, do we keep all the content after they go private? Yes. Does like it wants to start reversing here, but it could just go back to equilibrium of this range and push down lower for just high resistance liquidity run to the downside. The ones you can buy. No, I don't mean boot camp. I mean models. Does look like it wants to continue down lower with the original draw being those equal lows there, chat. But it could also be rebalancing into this fair value gap and turning up higher. We're very neutral right now. We need to wait for confirmation in the direction that we were anticipating. So we just need to be patient. But yeah, guys, don't miss out on the huge deal with Apex. It happens once a year, probably. $19 for any size account. If you want a 300K, it's only $19 with code Ben, and it gets rid of the consistency rule if you use code Ben. Apex is not allowed in your country. It's all good, brother. So it's starting to push up higher. That looks like a beautiful reaction. I'm still going to stay away from it until it trades up a little bit higher. Just got 300K for 20 bucks. Let's go, brother. What's up, Super Gaming? But right now we're staying neutral to bullish. Just gotta be patient, chat. Trust the process. Patience is key, guys. Patience is key. For high quality setups, you need good patience. Adam Johnson, thank you for the subscription, brother. You guys are almost at 11,400 subscribers. Let's get up to 11,400 before the end of the stream. That's not true, it says. Where can you find my models? You go into the description of my YouTube, of this YouTube live stream. You go into the description and I'll show you. Okay. You go into the description. Okay. You go to the link tree and you click all my private models right here. I'm never doing that again after Christmas. Okay. Do I pay Camelot? Yes. Yo! You changed my life with day trading before I came across your channel. I have no plan, no risk management. Thanks again. Keep pushing forward. Thank you, brother. I'm happy to hear that. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, brother. God bless. Maybe Apex is banned in your country, brother. You're gonna have to talk to Apex, not me. Does look like it wants to expand, but it's also failing to do that. So we're waiting. We're being patient. Prices do right now, I know. Isn't it too good to be true? No, it's not. It's a real firm, bro. I've known a lot of people that make a lot of money with them. You just can't be a gambler. You can't bet on one trade to make 90% of your profits. You have to be a consistent trader. You're my favorite trader. Okay, bro. Like, I actually got to stop reading messages out loud before I read them in my head. You guys are actually crazy. You guys are actually crazy. PM, do you do it on TikTok? Yes, I do. Always on TikTok. Beautiful expansions to the sell side there, chat. That's why I did not engage into a long there. We still have those equal lows to go to, but then we engage for longs. So just be patient. Just like we called it. Lovely. Lovely chat. One second. Price action disgusting. Typical Friday, December price action. It's typical, chat. It's typical. You got to manage risk and control your emotions in days like today. Just be very, very careful with what you do and be very patient, and you're going to succeed. It's really chop. It's really chop, but I do think it's still following our plan. As you can see, accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion. Take the equal low, smart money reversal. Accumulation, expansion, accumulation, expansion. Back to this gap. Back to the gap. Okay? That's exactly what I think is going to happen word for word, bar for bar. So everything, even though it's ugly right now, it's still being calculated. Patience, guys. Just watch a dude gamble and chop stream to 500 people. What is life? Yeah. Typical. I know a lot of people that on TikTok that stream like that. There's these two like Somalian guys on TikTok that just like they stream like that, provide zero value, and like they get like 400 viewers. It does not make sense. Give those viewers to people that like young, small streamers that need them. Are you doing a mentorship and free bootcamp on YouTube, brother? Literally, bro. But we're going down to sell side just like we anticipated, chat. It's going exactly how we wanted it to. So let it take it, and then we look for some nice, juicy longs. Like they're doing a specific marketing strategy that they think works, but it works in an industry where the value doesn't come from learning. Ugh. Most of the guys who run a Discord fade each other every day who post when, bro. Thank you for boot camp. Thank you for everything. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I'm glad you're finding value in it. We're being patient, guys. And patience pays the trader always. Always be patient. You cannot win without patience. And that's just how it is. So the discount ends Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. We're about to preach. We're about to hit those equal lows, chat. Once we do that, we're cooking for longs. We're cooking. We're gonna catch a beautiful long back to these highs. Like that, it would be probably like 5 hour R, bro. Why did I not stream last Friday? I was on an airplane to New York. Patience, guys. Here we go. Sellside liquidity is being taken. It's time to cook. It's time to cook. Lovely, just like we anticipated. Now we want to see a smart money reversal on these equal lows. There we go, chat. There we go. Come on. Hit it. I have like a 75% win rate. This December, I have an 80% win rate. Let me see. Let me check. What? Well, that's for today. Hold on. Oh, no. Wait, hold on. That's not right. Hold on. One second. Look at my P&L distribution. Chat. On this month. Look at my P&L history this month. Was it this month? No, it's not this month. It's the start. This month, including last week of the last month. Look at this. No, it's this month. This month. Look at this, chat. Look at this. Look. We start with negative 125 bucks. We go up. Spike. Plateau, up. Down back to the negatives. And then we rip up higher. And then here's today. Today we had that little loss. But that's a pretty good chart, if you ask me. Let me find if I... Let me just... Where's my old track record? I can't find it. I have no idea where it is. Okay, Fuck it. Whatever. This is December. I'll just show you the whole page. I'm just trying to find my track record. 1 second, chat. But we're starting to rip up higher. We could cook a nice long soon. Yeah, no, I don't know where it is. Anyways, this is my December profit. So we were up, but then we lost 500. So it's an updated profit. You can see we have a let me full screen it. We have a 85% win rate here. Right there. 85% win rate. There's executions. There's the P&L graph. You see we started in the negative, then we were just green the rest of the month. So it's not too shabby. We took the low, and we're starting to push up higher. I'm not engaging into the longs yet. But that's times 20 accounts, by the way, chat. So 1,300. And the month, it's only December 12th. But 1,300 times 20 is $26,000 on the month, which is a little low. It's a little low, but it's December. And the reason why it's that low is because we've cut risk. But we're doing pretty well. Bro, Camelot. Be patient, guys. This is not a shift in structure. Don't take this BPR. You could take it once it inverts this fair value gap, though. That's what I would do. Something like this. One second. I got to get my calculator. 43. It looks like it needs a smart money reversal, so it could go down one more time. Right? Thank you, brother, for the subscription. Yeah, it looks like it's going down lower again. It could react off of this low fair value gap, but I'm not going to take the trade till it shifts structure and inverts this fair value gap right here. That's my trade. Right here. That is what the trade will be. And then the take profit will go all the way to buy side for 6.5R, but majority of my positions is coming off at midnight open here. Majority of the positions is coming off of midnight open. So it's showing decent respect in that fair value gap. But I'm not going to take it once it breaks structure to the upside. It's in the daily inversion as well. Let's see. It's showing clear respect. Let's get ready to cook. This will be the last trade of the session. If I lose this, I'm preserving capital for the PM session. So if I lose both trades in the PM session, then I close the day out. Still in the week out in profit, but it would be a losing day. It's not looking like it's respecting it. Like it is, but it's not giving us the speed. So it looks like it could go take that low one more time, but I'm just holding this up here in case it rips up here. Patience. Patience. But yeah, guys, don't miss out on the crazy Apex discount, guys. 90% off with code Ben. Yeah, disrespecting it. It's going to go take that low one more time, then form a market structure shift, and then trade up higher. I'm not going to take it because they inverted it, even if it goes up higher. Patience, guys. Wait for that rip above that high to break structure. Whoops. I'm going to that low. Patience. Patience. Wait for the shift in structure. Wait for the shift in structure, chat. Wait for this shift in structure. We're gonna catch it. Don't worry. Don't worry, chat. Trust the process. I gotta do my receipts today. Gotta do my paperwork, my taxes. $25 in a tree. Hey, thank you for 11,400 subscribers, chat. You guys are legends. You guys are legends. Here we go. We're starting to rip up higher. Do we have a smart money reversal? Yes, we do. SMT on those lows. This could be it. This could be it, chat. No, I haven't. I stopped watching ICT a while ago since I found my own model. I don't need to watch them anymore. I want to see these highs broken. We have the smart money reversal. As long as this SMT holds, it's the smart money reversal, and it's going to play out our market maker buy model perfectly. I stream on TikTok 1:10 p.m. Eastern time every day. Thank you, JSafe, for the subscription, brother. You don't think it could touch yesterday's low? I think that the draw was these equal lows. I think it could leave that open. But if it wants to go down there, it can. Didn't find you yesterday? Well, I was live, so got such a Benjamin SMC. You can go to my link tree where you find everything else. In the link in the description of this live, go to the link tree and you'll find everything else. My TikTok, everything. It's losing volume. Thank you, brother. Welcome to the stream. Today's more of a, it has a high potential day, right? We see this market maker buy model Accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion, smart money reversal, accumulation, expansion, reaccumulation, expansion. And that's how it's playing out. It has the profile of a high probability day, but it has the volume of the low probability day. And it looked like it could do it in a couple hours, so we'll see. Very amazing trader. Thank you, brother. You just need to wait. AB, if you're watching the stream, they're already available. You can see them. Look above. Patience is key. Seth, thank you for the subscription. It's going to previous day low? Yeah. After that reaction, yes. But that's still the market maker buy model for me. Gold's crashing. It might be a PM thing, chat. It might be a PM thing. It might be a PM trade. And that means we should probably preserve capital for that. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Because in the next 5 minutes, we could reverse. So we're going to stay on for a little bit longer. See what happens. Damn, you're so bad you missed that whole short. Pooh-wee, brother, you stink. Do we still have our executions from yesterday, chat? Or did they go away? No, they went away. They go away after 24 hours. Let's just prove this hater wrong before we move on. Because the audacity to say that after the day we had yesterday is insane. 1, 2, 3 wins, 0 losses. So I don't think that's how it works. Brothers. Brother. Follow my concepts and you'll do better. Ew! Is this guy promoting his own concepts? Nah. Oh, this is a guy I've banned before and he made a different account. He's using the same IP address. Bye-bye. Put him in timeout. Oh, no, he's gone. He's gone for life. He's not in timeout. He made a second account. Those people are gone for life. Fuck, lol, that was me rage baiting you in another account. Was it actually? Okay, we're going to sellside, chat. We took sellside. We are now at the point where a reversal can happen in any second. Bro, fuck you, Calblot. How much my car costs? 120,000. Unban that account. Fuck you. We have a trade potentially cooking. It looks like it's just continuously ripping lower, fast. So worst case scenario, we have the wrong bias, but we just sit out. Ben, please, I need this. Facts. Ben rented his car. Facts. I'm not here often, but every time I am, it's hilarious how many of these people are telling you how to trade like they can do it. I know. They're always like, short, bro. Yesterday there was this guy in chat, and he's like, short, bro, short. Why are you not shorting, bro? I told you to short. After it goes like 2 ticks, it goes down 2 ticks. He said, I told you to short. Why would you not listen to me? Mid-sentence. And then I catch the log. Bro, it's the funniest thing ever. No, he made it was Camelot. So when I saw that it's the same person, he's been in my stream before and he has the same address. I was like, okay, so it's someone I've obviously banned before because he's saying it's a second account, and he's been in the stream before somewhere else. One second. Guys, the car is not rented, bro. Why are you guys arguing? Congrats for the car, thank you. I'm not even old enough to rent a car. That's actually so true. Whenever someone says the car's rented, I'm not even old enough to rent the car. Yo. I'm not even old enough to rent a car, bro. You have to be 21, even in Canada. Bro, Ian. Hey, yo. I'm not even old enough to rent the car, bro. It's financed. Open loan. You rented on your mom's name, I wouldn't be able to drive it. A rented car is different than a financing car. A renting car, only the renter can drive it. So if it's under my mom's name, I wouldn't be able to drive the car. What? How old am I? I'm 19. How long till my rental service is up? 10 years. Nah, I'm probably gonna sell the car in like 4 years, or maybe 3 years, and get a better one. People be hating. People be hating always, bro. One second. People always... Bitches be hating. Hold on, chat. Read the sign. Wait. It's not loading. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Who's that? I got the paperwork. Who's that? AI? Forgot to turn on buys today. I know. So a little bit of dookie price action today. Not in the direction we wanted, but hey, happens sometimes. You just got to manage your risk. That was not a suit. That was my jacket. No, bro. I love that jacket. Is it a CLE? Nope. CLS. I'm happy, but I'm still not like satisfied, if that's the word. We're starting to turn up. We wicked all these lows now. We're starting to move a little bit here. We'll see. This is called Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS, chat. Oh, what the fuck? Brief outreach. Hello, my name is Elliot Brooks. I'm a small support team that works with senior level marketing growth professionalships. Shut the fuck up. Bro, I got the most insane scam call yesterday, chat. The most insane scam call. I usually mess with them and I was like, oh yeah, really? But when he said this, I bursted out in laughter. I couldn't even speak. He was like, hello, Ben? I was like, oh yeah, he knows my name. Okay, it's not a scam call. I'm like, hello, who's this? He's like, my name is like Jonathan Nathaniel. And I was like, okay, what do you want? And he's like, I'm an investigator with the FBI. And I was like, oh my gosh, like that's what you can do. Investigator with the FBI, bro. I discovered you a few days ago, but you really seem like a nice guy and visibly go, thank you, brother. I appreciate it. God bless. TP hit, thanks for the boot camp. Let's go, brother. We're starting to turn up here, chat. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Which card did I buy? CLS AMG. We're really not getting that much movement, but maybe it's a PM thing. Maybe it's a PM thing. He doesn't understand that FBI is not like the FBI is not in Canada. Fucking idiot. I'm under investigation for manipulating these markets, bro. Get out! Thank you for the subscription, brother. I appreciate you. Bro, SAR trades. What if I went in investigator mode and I found who you are and I sent that message to your parents? Guys, these markets aren't it. These markets aren't it for me. They're all right for some people, but they're not my model. It's not my model. I want to see the move to the upside. Now that's probably going to come for the PM session. So I might need to wait for that. But we might just stay flat, one loss on the AM. Control our risk management, preserve our capital for the PM session. PM session is going to be it. If we do get that reversal, guys, this movement is going to be beautiful. Midnight open. Remember, don't think the move's over, okay? It's 10:30 a.m. and we have midnight open. We have equal highs just above midnight open, just below that opening range gap. We have the most prestigious buy side liquidity that is untouched yet. And we manipulated fast before going there. So all I'm saying, chat, is preserve your capital for the PM. And that's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to jump off of the AM stream, and I'll be back on for PM on TikTok, because I think that I'm going to preserve 3 trades for that, because I'd rather preserve 3 trades of capital towards targeting that in the PM than now. Other than that, guys, I think I'm going to finish up the stream. We're going to finish in prayer. And then we'll be... That is not my IP address. And then we'll be live on the PM session. Then after that, Sunday for study session. And then Monday. All right. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing opportunity, Lord, and forgive us for our sins, and glory and praise be to your name. Please be with us throughout our journey in life and throughout these days, Lord. If we're going through anything and struggling and we need to make decisions, but we're too scared to make it, please be with us and give us the strength to do so. Please comfort us and help us make the right decisions and lead us down the right path. In Jesus' holy amazing name we pray. Forgive us for our sins. Amen. All right, chat. PM session is at 1:10 p.m. Eastern time on TikTok. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't miss out on the 90% off discount on Apex. $19 for any size account with code BEN. Gets rid of the consistency rule in the combine as well if you use the code. Thank you guys for everything. God bless you all. Take care. Stay disciplined. Risk management is key, guys. We did not have a winning session, but we had a winning session because we followed our model and our risk management. Okay? Trust the process, chat. If I see a setup off stream, I'll let you guys know in the Discord, but I'm not engaging right now.